Hello guys, welcome to VChem World. Today we will learn about the formula of compound. First start with the formula of compound. In the previous lecture we discussed on the closed packing structure. In the three-dimensional closed packing structure divided into two parts. Cubic closed packing or FCC, and second is hexagonal closed packing. This closed packing and this gives the voids. Voids two types, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. So this gives the tetrahedral, octahedral, also gives tetrahedral and octahedral. We know about that in this cube for alternate corner 1, 2, 3 and 4. These four alternate corner join each other and gives the tetrahedral voids. So we can say that in the unit cell four alternate corner attach each other and gives the tetrahedral voids. In the total unit cell 8 unit present. These types of same to same 8 unit present. So one unit gives the one tetrahedral void. So 8 units gives the 8 tetrahedral voids. For example, we consider as the FCC. Face center cubic closed packing. In the face center cubic closed packing, alternate corner, all corner 8 atom present. So 8 atom and its contribution 1 by 8. So it gives the 1 atom. And 6 atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 atom present on the all faces. Its contribution 1 half. So 6 into 1 half gives 3 atom. So FCC gives total 4 number of atom. FCC total number of atom is 4. In this cubic total unit cell of the gives the tetrahedral voids is equal to 8. So number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 8. And number of octahedral void is equal to the number of atom. So number of octahedral voids is equal to 4. For example, number of atom we consider as n. Number of tetrahedral consider as 2n. And number of octahedral consider as n because of this number of atom and number of octahedral is equal to same. So we can say that the number of tetrahedral voids is twice than the octahedral. In the case of simple ionic compound, two types of arrangement, HCC and HCP. So larger ion adopt this type of arrangement, this closed packing arrangement. Larger ion means anion, for example anion. When cation arrange the voids, in the voids tetrahedral and octahedral. So cation adopt void arrangement and anion adopt FCC and HCP arrangement. Then how to find out the different formula? First we consider the simple formula is AB. In this formula AB, A adopts the FCC or HCP arrangement. So we know that the closed packing lattice arrangement adopted by A. A is anion. And B. This B adopt void. This void divided into two, tetrahedral and octahedral. So this B, which arrangement adopt, octahedral or tetrahedral? But we know that the number of atom present per unit cell is equal to n. So number of octahedral void is equal to also n. And number of tetrahedral voids is twice than the octahedral. Remember these three things. Number of atom per unit cell is equal to n number. Number of octahedral void is equal to n or same as the number of atom. In third, number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. This is the twice of the octahedral. In this formula, same A1, so B1. So A is equal to B. Then number of atom is equal to n. Number of n is equal to n means close packing lattice. So in the close packing lattice arrangement is equal to A. Then same as the B. A is same as the B or B same as A. So how to find out that B, so number of octahedral voids is equal to number of atom. In this structure we consider as the B voids at the octahedral. Because of the close packing lattice number of atom n, so octahedral number of atom n. So this formula is AB. This way we consider the different types of formula. First, A consider is the close packing lattice or FCC or HCP. This is the close packing lattice. Close packing lattice arrangement adopt A. Then B divided into two tetrahedral and octahedral. This equal to, for example, n. AB, this n, so B also n value. When first case we discuss on the octahedral. Octahedral is equal to n. But in this case we discuss on the number of tetrahedral voids. Number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. In the per atom, number of tetrahedral voids is 2. So, number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. But we discuss on the formula of the AB. We find out the B means number of n. So this divided by 2 is equal to n. This is the A and B. How to divide it by 2n? For example, this is the tetrahedral voids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tetrahedral voids. Number of atoms per tetrahedral voids is 2. So in this formula we divided into 2 means n. So this is the tetrahedral voids, all tetrahedral voids. But B adopt alternative tetrahedral voids. For example, this and this. Alternative tetrahedral voids. This voice is vacant. Alternative tetrahedral voids means 3. For example, close packing lattice number of atom is equal to 3 and number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 3. So n value and n value is same. So this consider as the AB formula. In the first case, we discuss on the number of octahedral void is equal to n. This is the simple. But in this, the all tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. But we need only n value. So consider as the B adopt alternative tetrahedral voids. This A to B. B adopt cubic close packing or FCC or HCP. For example, its number of atom is equal to n. In this formula, we consider is the A2. So A2 B value n and A to n. In this formula, number of atom per unit cell is equal to n. Yes, number of atom per unit cell is 1. Then number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. So in this number of tetrahedral voids, so A occupy tetrahedral voids. So number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. That way B minus, this is the anion. Because of the FCC or HCP adopt anion and cation occupy voids. This is the cation. So, number of tetrahedral voids 2n is equal to A. This is the A2. Its formula A2B. And this known as the antifluoride structure. Found AB2. In the A plus and B minus. But in the alternative, B minus size is smaller than the A plus. When size smaller, it occupies voids, and size larger, it occupies this FCC or HCP cubic close pack. So in the A, adopt cubic close packing structure, and numbers of atom is equal to n. And B minus occupy number of tetrahedral voids. So number of tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. Only difference is the AB2 and B, A2B and AB2. B occupy cubic close packing, in this A occupy cubic close packing because of the difference of the sizes. In the A, larger size than the B, and in this B is larger size than the A. So smaller size always occupy void and larger size always occupy the cubic close pack structure. This is the only reference. But in the another cases, FCC or HCP is equal to cation. Means cation adopt cubic close packing. Like this structure, A plus adopt cubic close packing and B minus occupy tetrahedral voids. So this is the 2n and this n. Its formula AB2. And this structure is known as the fluoride structure. In the previous we discussed on this, how to find out this formula. First AB simple, A2B antifluoride, and AB2 is known as the fluoride structure. In the AB, B minus adopt CCP or HCP structure, and A plus is occupied in void. Void is octahedral void. When octahedral void present, why this is known as the octahedral? Because of the one atom surrounded by the 6. So its coordination number 6. For example, NaCl. Cl minus coordination number 6 and Na plus coordination number 6. Next, AB. ZnS and CuCl. In this, B minus adopt same as the CCP or HCP. But A plus is not occupy octahedral void, but it's occupy alternative tetrahedral voids. So B minus and A plus. B minus means Zn and A plus. Zn coordination number 8 and A plus coordination number is 4. Next, A2P antifluoride structure. In the antifluoride structure, B adopt HCP cubic close pack structure, and A plus is occupied with the voids tetrahedral void. In this structure, all alternative voids, but in this structure, all tetrahedral void are occupied. So A plus, then O minus 2. Lithium plus occupy in voids on the tetrahedral, so its coordination number 4. And oxygen minus 2 occupy HCP, its coordination number 8. That way, Li2O, 4 plus 4, 8, O minus 2, 8. So total its coordination number same. Then fluoride structure. In the fluoride structure, A plus adopt HCP or cubic close packing. In this three structure, B minus means anion adopt the cubic close pack structure. But in this fluoride structure, cation adopt HCP or CCP. Then B minus occupy all tetrahedral voids. So A plus, for example, A plus is equal to Ca plus 2 and B minus is equal to F minus. So F minus occupy all tetrahedral voids. So tetrahedral voids coordination number 4 and Ca plus 2 its coordination number 8. That way Ca1 and F2 because of the F minus 1 coordination number 4. So 2F2 coordination number 8. So 8 coordination number. In this Li plus 4 and O minus 2 8. Zn is 8 and 4 alternative corners. And NaCl, Cl minus 6 and Na plus 6. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. In the previous lecture link given in description box.